In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your domain name in a Godaddy auction for bidding, especially useful if you're new to this process. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Godaddy's website. You'll want to locate the section dedicated to domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools. This is the starting point for accessing all the functionalities you'll need on Godaddy. Once you're on the site, find and click on the Sign In button. It's important to make sure you have your account credentials ready for this step. If you're not currently signed in, you'll need to enter your username and password. With a successful login, you'll be directed to your account dashboard where you can manage all your Godaddy products. From your account dashboard, make your way to the Godaddy homepage. Here you will see a summary of your current account and products. Look around until you find the option labeled Products and click on it. This is where all the domains you've purchased or have access to will be listed. It's essential to choose the correct domain that you wish to list for a sale. Now that you're in the product section, the next step is to click on Domain Settings. This provides you with detailed options related to the selected domain. The Domain Settings page is where you'll find and manage configurations like DNS settings and other general domain controls. Keep an eye open for the section that allows sales listings. Look for the List for Sale button. Clicking this is the pivotal action that enables you to create a sales listing for your domain. Godaddy guides you through setting up your domain for auction. Here you can specify your asking price and define any other auction details. It's quite helpful to set a competitive price based on market research to attract potential buyers quickly. Once you've completed setting up the listing, double check all entered information for accuracy. Ensuring that your domain is properly prepared for sale could make all the difference in a quick and profitable transaction. Godaddy's marketplace has wide visibility, which increases your chances of finding a buyer. As you navigate through these steps, remember that Godaddy provides support and tips along the journey. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions, their help section or customer service is readily available to assist you. And there you have it, you are now equipped with the essential steps needed to list your domain on Godaddy's auction for bidding purposes. Whether it's your first time or you're brushing up on the process, following these steps ensures a smooth and successful listing. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy selling.